I like to use the calendar because we have a lot going on in my family. I have a lot of appointments for my mother. We track my husband's appointments separately, my appointments separately. My family all lives in the area near me. I have a daughter who has schedule changes that are not your typical Monday through Friday. And so it's nice for me to be able to track that when she works, when she doesn't work, which she's happy to share with me because it makes a difference when we're planning family activities. Oh, no, Emily's working, can't do that. That sort of thing. So it's been really, really lovely to have all of that on the calendar and just right in front of your face. And I was a diehard converter. My husband really wanted to jump on it. Two of my kids have it. But I liked my old-fashioned calendar. But, you have to write everything down. And, a lot of your appointments now are through the phone. And it just automatically shows up there, and it's pretty great. And then, of course, I like watching the pictures. We have a family group that we put all the pictures on. I have lots of grandkids. So it's just really nice. My two daughters have DAKboard, and we would just go over to my daughter's house and see everything up on the board. And, you really should have it. You'd really like it. It would make everything a lot easier if you do this. And really the spurring factor is my husband and I both recently retired, and he had two monitor screens, one that belonged to him and only one that belonged to the company. And we went, well, what do we do with this thing? And John goes, oh, let's get the DAKboard. So it was like, well, we don't want to throw away this DAKboard. This monitor. We don't have anybody to give it to. Of course, it has since died. It only lasted about 4 months. But by then we were hooked. So the pictures and the appointments, I'm happy. It is being able to, having the different colors. And being able to see everything at the same time, and because you get to recognize the colors, and you're going, Emily's working, my mom's appointment is coming up, my appointment's coming up, etc.